Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can set up your Tapo smart lock in 2026. So you can basically set it up via the Tapo application. So you need to download and install the Tapo application from the Google Play Store or App Store. Then you can sign in here with the help of your TP-Link ID. So when you log in into your account, what you need to do is you need to simply press this plus icon on the top right hand corner. Afterwards, simply look for the plugs option in the add a device. Then you need to simply select your Tapo plug from the given list. After selecting your plug, you just have to choose the network on which the plug is basically connected. Then you need to provide the network name and the password. Then click on the option of next. Afterwards, you just have to simply follow further on-screen instructions in order to basically add your plug into your phone. So that's how basically you can do it. Just keep in mind that most of the Tapo smart plugs support the 2.4 gigahertz Wi-Fi network. So make sure that your phone and the router are using the compatible network during this particular setup. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.